Hi guys, we are here in Malanay, Quezon to make a food vlog. So I chose the El Pasio because it is a new tambayan and food tripa ng Mulanayan. And also, first time lang din namin kumain dito. So malalaman natin kung goods nga ba. And sakto, there's an Asian food, so nag-order agad kami ng takoyaki with the octobits flavor. And also, nag-order na rin agad kami ng drinks. And after that, kumain na kami. Order again and the rice with chicken legs because takoyaki and milk is not enough. And we surprised kasi dalawang rice agad ang pinilagay nila. Think that grabe kulang pa rin because honestly nakakagana talaga ang mga foods dito. So we add 2 more rice and after this we are really full. And honestly, if I rate this food over 10, it would be 10 over 10 for me because grabe sulit talaga ang mga pagkain dito. And that's all. Salamat.